How to get subscription in Amazon Prime. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can get subscription in Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, getting a subscription on Amazon Prime is fairly simple, but instead of using the Amazon app, I would recommend you open up your browser instead, because things are much more simpler on the browser. So open your browser and simply go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Once you go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime, log into your account. Then you'll find a free 30-day trial of Prime. Tap on the Start Your Free Trial option. Then you'll be taken to the page where you'll see all the Prime benefits that you get with the subscription. Then just go ahead and then enter your debit or credit card as a payment method. Currently, they're only actually allowing debit or credit card or gift cards, right? So you have to use these only. Then tap on continue to subscribe to Amazon Prime. That's all it takes to take Amazon Prime subscription. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.